Hi, I'm Stefanie Mosca. We're here at IT Expo West 2011 in Austin, Texas, and I'm here with Chris Couch, COO of Transverse. How are you today, Chris?
Very good.
Thank you for being here. For our viewers who aren't as familiar, can you talk a little bit about who Transverse is?
Transverse is a company that started in 2008, and we're focused on bringing cloud-based billing and dynamic revenue management solutions to the market.
Great. And can you tell us a little bit about why subscription billing is so important today?
Sure. I mean, as the internet has evolved over the last several years, more and more businesses have moved online, and that's created this whole new spectrum of subscription business models, not only from internet companies, but car wash companies and traditional brick and mortar companies are moving into long-term relationships with their customers, which involve subscriptions. And subscriptions tend to allow you to discount your products and services in the short term, but really reap the benefits of long-term customer value.
And what would you say are the driving forces behind subscription billing?
Well, subscription billing is simple on the surface. It's about charging a customer a monthly recurring fee, or maybe it's just having an ongoing relationship with that customer. Where it starts to get interesting is in the whole dynamic revenue management portion, and that's managing activities that your customers perform with you or consumption from you on a monthly basis, being able to monetize those activities, then being able to create innovative price plans around entitlements or prepaid activities, and then being able to take it to a personalization level. So over time, a company in a subscription business is going to evolve their business to be much more personal than a simple one-time transaction that most e-commerce companies are involved in.
And in order to do that, how would you say Transverse's flagship product, Tract, is different from other competing companies in the industry?
Well, Transverse comes out of building billing systems for telecommunication carriers. And telecommunication carriers have been in the subscription business for literally hundreds of years. So these billing systems that they use are very robust, very feature-rich around subscription business models. We've taken that same robustness and moved it into the cloud, where our competitors have largely started from really a payment-oriented or a payment gateway-oriented business model, putting a charge on your credit card every so many days. So they've added some billing features to that, but we think where we really differentiate is in the dynamic revenue management component, being able to manage on a monthly basis all of the consumption that your customers are dealing with you.
So for customers who have increasing revenues or operational efficiencies, how does the Tract product benefit them?
Well, we give you a set of features and functions in Tract that you normally find in systems that are multiple millions of dollars. Those systems can take years to implement, and they're never really quite done being implemented.
Sure.
So Tract gives the operational efficiency of just saving you money on the software itself. Second, it's a cloud-based solution, so it's very nimble in nature. You can make changes to it, try new price plans out right away, very low risk, and essentially fail fast. If the business model works, great. You keep going. If it doesn't, then you're not out millions of dollars just trying it.
So Transverse is at IT Expo this week exhibiting.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about what you're featuring at the booth this week?
Well, we're featuring our flagship product, Tract. We'll be doing demos on the hour. We're giving away free developer licenses. We're signing people up for the sandbox. We're also here to help people learn how they can monetize their business through a subscription business model.
And you also had a panel on the MSP event this morning. How did that go?
It went very well. We had a lot of service providers. The topic was how cloud is affecting service providers and what the next big thing might be. And service providers are in a pretty interesting position in the cloud market. I mean, they own the networks, they own big data centers.
Sure.
And so we're spending a lot of time with them understanding how they want to go into the cloud market, as well as how we can help them monetize that. And a lot of the conversation today was around what is the business model that's going to unfold.
Well, that's definitely a hot topic. I'm sure it'll continue to be one throughout the week. Thank you so much for being here today, Chris.
Thank you for having me.
Once again, this is Stefanie Mosca at IT Expo West in Austin, Texas. I'm here with Chris Couch, COO of Transverse.